All right, so I have found one of my new favorite kitchen tools. This thing is so cool. So it's a rice cooker, but it can cook so much more. So just really quick, contents of the package. You have the cooker itself, easy to follow user manual. You have a little rice spoon right here, a nice rice measuring cup, and you can see the lines right on there, as well as a steam basket. So you could steam vegetables, eggs, you name it, and you could have that steaming on top and have a full meal ready. Now we have a button on top right there to open it up, but this has a nice large pot right here, 2 liters. So great for cooking your rice. Maybe you're a college student, maybe you're on the road, you're traveling. We've had some really late nights lately, and this has been so nice to use because you can have a meal ready. And it actually has a timer function. I'm going to show you that in a second. Now, in addition, on the inside right there, it has lines that can guide. You can either measure out your water on your own or use these lines. And in this user manual, it gives some nice directions on how much water per rice or oatmeal, porridge, you name it. Maybe you're making soup. You're able to have this one unit and cook all those things. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I have it all plugged in, ready to go. Let me get you a little closer right here. You can see, I'll turn off my light. There we go. It has a warming function right there. So it's just keeping your food warm after it's been cooking. You have a preset timer function. So you can go ahead and pick all the way to 24 hours. That's really nice. Again, you could have the timer on and then be able to have a nice breakfast ready and made for the morning. Now, in addition, if you press this menu button, it will go through the different ones that you have. Quick, white rice, quinoa, steam, and that's great when you have that basket right there. Reheating your food, porridge, brown rice, oatmeal, mixed grain, and then cakes. And then once you have whatever setting you want it at, you're able to just go ahead and press start. So really easy to use. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is measure out. We're gonna do a cup of white rice today. And it has that nice, and I added some seasoning that I like, but it has that nice little measuring cup right there. And then you can put that into your basket right there. And I'm just gonna be utilizing those lines, adding my water. I use 1 cup of white rice. So I'm gonna go to that first line right there. We go. Nice, beautiful LED screen. Go to the white rice, close my basket right there and press start. And you will see it starting to cook. Now that steam basket, if you were steaming stuff, would just simply go on top right in there. I like it. It has this nice portable, convenient size. You can truly take it with, maybe you're on the go or anything like that. And then when you're not using it, I like that it doesn't take up a lot of counter space and you're able to have a full meal. Love it. That timer function that I showed you, so cool as well. Again, you're able to prepare your food and come back and have it ready. Can't wait. All right, so actually when this is about halfway done, it has about 15 minutes left, I'm actually gonna add some eggs on the top so I can have some steamed eggs ready to eat with my meal as well. Okay, change of plans. I just talked to my husband and he wants some steamed spinach with his rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my spinach on top right there. And then I'm able to cook a full meal and it will steam as we are doing the rice. You can see it is counting down. All right, you can see that countdown. I'm loving that bright, beautiful screen. There's 15 minutes left. My spinach is steaming beautifully. I'm gonna add a couple eggs and steam those as well for this last little bit. You can see that steam rolling out of there. There we are. 1 minute left. It is smelling so good. So check this out, timer's done and then it automatically goes to keep warm. I pulled my eggs out a little bit ago just because I knew they were done cooking. But then I can go ahead and take my steamed veggies out and check out that steam releasing right there. Man, check out this beautifully cooked rice. I have a full meal, was able to see my spinach, have those eggs going at the same time. And this is really one of the only tools I need in my kitchen. I love it. So I have my bed of spinach. I can scoop out some rice right here. Delicious. There we go. Again, I added some seasonings to my rice. Nice big pot, again, 2 liters. So you're able to cook as much as you want, either for yourself or for other people as well. All right, so check it out. I was able to cook my husband's favorite full meal with just this rice cooker. I had that spinach steamed. I did the eggs as well as, of course, the rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him eat, but definitely check this one out. I'm so happy I bought it.